Hey guys, sorry about the shaking. The stand and the table is not the most stable thing. That should be better in the new lock lab though. We got a 40mm Mylock, which have seen better days, at least on that side, and even worse on this side. Man. But the cylinder is intact, it doesn't seem to have been squeezed too much, and it. Okay. Try to put it up. Just try something else then, since that doesn't want to cooperate. The cord does move freely, so it should still be pickable. Only one way to find out, I guess. Okay, it doesn't get stuck, so that's a good, very good sign. Let's do it like that so you can see something. As I remember, I believe these have standard pins only. Come on. At least give me some feedback. It doesn't really give me any clear feedback. Try to reset. Try from the back this time. Still doesn't give me any clear feedback. I kind of want to try to brush its teeth a little bit here. Doesn't seem to be doing much. It still just doesn't give any feedback. I kind of want to try just to see if it does anything. That didn't do anything. Okay, so it is actually possible. I'll still count this, it's still picked. So it is possible to open it. Sorry about that shaking. Okay. It is picked. I'm hitting the camera here. Let me adjust. That ain't doing anything. That doesn't feel like it's doing anything either. Let me just try this again. Yeah, it works when you rock it. Okay. We have 2 minutes left after 10 minutes. Let's try and SPP it again, just to see if we can. Now that we know that it should be possible. I might need a new vise that's really jiggly too. Yeah, it's starting to be bent. Not just from this lock though. I might need to soon have to find some money and order some new picks. At least some new hooks. Okay. Yeah. No. But that works. So it is pickable. It just doesn't want to be SPP'd, raked, or sipped. I still count it. And maybe we can revisit it someday. Maybe not. We don't know. It's open. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.